So what we have here is a fine state-of-the-art Maytag washing machine. It's in pretty good shape, but today we're going to try to test out the mini excavator, the R13 Rippa, and see how it does doing some repairs on this machine. So let's get with it. Well, that's how you take apart a Maytag washing machine. What do you guys think about that?
Amazing!
So that's how to remove the rear panel on the washing machine we just serviced there. Now we're going to jump over a Kenmore double stack dryer washer combo. These can be kind of hard to get into the heater element and to fix the pump, so we're going to flip this thing over, take off the back panel, and see how to disassemble this one next. At this point, you can go ahead and replace the rear bearing on these things. They go out commonly, and belt, drive belts, things like that. So that's how you get the drum out. We'll move on to the washing machine, get the pump out, things like that. So I wanted to bring you in on a close-up. Here's your electric motor, drive belt, your water pump. All that stuff's going to be serviceable once you get it broken down to this point. After that, just reassembly. Pretty straightforward. Another common problem on dryers is if you're having a hard time with your heater elements working, it's tumbling and it's not drying though, sometimes your seal on your door can go out. So something else to keep an eye on for your dryer. Always check your lint traps as well. That could be a fire problem. Well, there you go. A double stack washer and dryer in here, a single washer, an old heavy cast iron wood stove, and a 70s 𝐻𝐿 250 snowmobile, all going to the metal recycler. Nice to get this junk out of here. That's a win.